Hi, and welcome to our executive interview series. Today, we are excited to have Chris Noone, the CEO of Kali Holdings, joining us. Kali Holdings is an ASX-listed company that is revolutionizing the automotive and mobility markets in Australia with its innovative car subscription service. With major shareholders, including leaders in the automotive industry, Kali Holdings is uniquely positioned to deliver flexible and cost-effective mobility solutions to individuals and businesses alike. Chris, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Now, can you give us a brief overview of Kali Holdings and its business model to begin with?
So Kali operates Kali Car Subscription. A car subscription is an alternative to buying, financing or leasing a vehicle, and it's suitable for both individual consumers, business, government and also not-for-profits. The best way to position the product is to explain our average subscription period, which is 5.5 months. So we're definitely not car share, we're not car rental, and we're a much shorter period than traditional forms of long-term ownership and financial commitment. So it's suitable for people and businesses who would normally buy or finance a car, but they need it for a shorter period of time, or they're not sure how long they need the vehicle. So they value the flexibility of being able to secure the absolute right vehicle for them right now. And then when their vehicle needs change, they can change the vehicle, or they can simply hand the vehicle back with 30 days notice.
Got you. And for my next question, can you tell us about the 69% increase in revenue and 261 increase in gross profit that Kali Holdings had seen? And also, according to you, what were the key drivers behind these results?
We've been absolutely laser focused on scaling the business efficiently. As we grow the business, we are deploying technology. We're not necessarily adding more headcount to the business. We're also driving very strong utilization of the fleet. So we're very focused on getting as many cars on the road, generating income as possible, and reducing our parking and storage costs for those vehicles. We're also very efficient at acquiring new customers through our digital channels, and we've driven an 80% decrease in customer acquisition costs over the last 12 months. So this is preparing for us to scale the business this year, so that when we scale the revenue, we're not scaling the cost base.
Absolutely. Well, that's very impressive, Chris. Now, can you tell us what exactly sets Kali apart from other companies that are operating in the car subscription service? Like any unique advantages or features that Kali has to offer?
We're one of the few companies that's absolutely focused on the car subscription opportunity. We're not a rental company. We don't buy and sell used cars. We're not distracted by other business operations. We are 100% focused on the car subscription opportunity, and we have what we feel is a true subscription product. Minimum 30 days period and 30 days notice to terminate. It's a monthly recurring payment that includes insurance, registration, maintenance and servicing. Many of the other players in the market have upfront deposits, non-refundable deposits, minimum 4-month terms. To us, that's not car subscription, that's not flexibility. On the other side, on our supply side, with our fleet, we have both an asset light and an asset heavy fleet. So what that means is we partner with automotive manufacturers, with dealer groups, and also fleet management companies to monetize vehicles that they own. We provide subscribers to monetize their vehicles. And also on the asset heavy side, we buy and finance our own fleet of vehicles as well. So no matter how the market for supply is trending, whether there are supply restrictions or high costs of used cars as is now, we can actually scale the business in the most effective way for us. At the moment, we're favouring asset heavy because that's giving us the most advantages in the market.
Amazing. That's brilliant. Now, I read that, Kali recently announced that it had secured a $10 million asset finance facility to expand the vehicle fleet. Can you give us a background account behind this?
This is a major milestone for the business. Previously, we'd been a 100% asset light business until 2021. At that time, we started to secure smaller finance facilities to buy vehicles. And we've been very successful in buying those vehicles, monetizing them quickly and efficiently. And that's what's driven our 69% increase in revenue in the last period. This new facility is much larger than any other single facility that we've had. This $10 million facility dwarfs the $1.5 million single largest facility we had previously. So if fully deployed, the $10 million would allow us to buy around 450 vehicles, which would quadruple the size of our existing owned fleet, and would also generate, after a period of about 6 months, about $4.7 million in revenue per annum.
Amazing. That's brilliant. Now, can you tell us how big is the opportunity for electric vehicles in the car subscription market, and how is Kali positioned to take advantage of this trend?
The transition to electric vehicles is certainly happening, and we see that subscription is a great try before you buy opportunity for both individuals and businesses. There are many unknowns with the use of electric vehicles, and being able to drive an electric vehicle in your real life or in a real business situation, take it on holidays, charge it at home, charge it at work, charge it at the shops. To be able to have that vehicle for 1 or 2 months, you really get to understand how an electric vehicle fits with your business or your lifestyle, but also what type of electric vehicle might be right for you. So instead of committing to the purchase straight away, subscription allows you to try that. In the longer term, we see that people will be subscribing to vehicles, electric vehicles, as they do to their mobile phone plan, their iPhones and things like that. So we think we are part of the transition to electric vehicles, but also part of the future of electric vehicles as well.
That's great, Chris. Can you tell us, as a parting question, what does the next 6 to 12 months look like for Kali?
We're really putting the pedal to the floor. With this $10 million finance facility, we're rapidly securing new vehicles. So in April, we expect over 50 vehicles to be delivered, and for deliveries to ramp up over that period as well. So we'll be working very hard to get those cars on the road, to achieve maximum utilisation and continue growing the fleet throughout the year. So it's probably the most exciting opportunity that we've seen within this business, because we're really in control of the scale of our growth and the speed of that growth.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much, Chris, for sharing these wonderful insights about the brilliant work that you're doing with the unique services that Kali has to offer with the car subscription service. For anyone watching this interview, please see the details at the side of the screen or in the description if you're looking to get in touch with the team at Kali Holdings. And again, Chris, thank you for joining me for this interview.
Great to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.